Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and doing great at your home. Children, so here I am with you all. My name is Honey Kanajian and you can call me Honey Ma'am. Okay? Today we are going to study which subject? English subject. Okay? We will study English workbook. WB is the short form of workbook. We will work in our English workbook today. Okay? The topic is sleeping lines. We have studied many lines, right? How many lines we have studied? Let's revise all of them. Children, which line is this? This is standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. Do you know why is this a standing line? ये standing line क्यों बोल रहे हैं हम? Because it is in standing position, right? It is standing. This line is standing. And which line is this? Tell me. This is a sleeping line. Why we are calling it a sleeping line? क्यों बोल रहे हैं हम इसे sleeping line? Because it is in a sleeping position, or we can say that this line is sleeping. This line is standing and this line is sleeping. Okay, so can you tell me which line is this? Speak everyone. This is a forward slanting line. Forward slant line. Why is it a forward? हम इसे forward क्यों बोल रहे हैं? Because it is bent towards, it is bending forward. Okay? ये forward bend है. अगर ये इस तरफ bend होती, then what we will say, what we would say? We would call it a backward slant line. Backward slant line. ये forward bend है. It is bending forward. That's why we are calling it a forward slant line. Okay. Now tell me which line is this? As I said, this line is bending backward. So what we will call it? We will call it backward slant line. अगर ये line इस तरफ bent होती तो हम इसे क्या कहते? What we would call it? Tell me. Forward slanting line. Okay? The line, वो line जो आगे की तरफ forward bend है, उसे हम कहेंगे forward slant line. और वो line जो backward bend है, which is bending backward, we can call it backward slant line. Alright? So, today we are going to work in our English workbook on page number 5. These are the sleeping lines which we are going to trace. Okay? Say and trace. On each and every page of your English workbook, there is a line which is written here. Say and trace. क्यों लिखी है ये यहाँ पर? ये इसलिए लिखी है because we have to speak while tracing. हमें बोलना भी है चाहे हम कुछ भी लिख रहे हो. Okay? From today, make it a habit. इसे एक habit बनाइए that whatever you will write, whatever you will trace, you have to speak. Okay? Let's do it together. I hope that you all are able to see. See, these are the dotted lines. If you are able to see it, dot, 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 right? These are 3 columns and 3 rows. Alright, so let's start. We will trace this sleeping line while joining it dot to dot. We will start it from the very first dot. ये सबसे पहली dot से we will start. Put your pencil on this dot and start tracing till the end. Don't do your work right now, just watch here. Just watch here, okay? We will trace it dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot and complete the whole line. Which line is this? Sleeping line. Okay? So, and on which baseline we are tracing? कौन सी baseline पे हम trace कर रहे हैं? Blue line. See, right? This is the second line, first, second, and it is blue in color. Okay? Now start the third one. Dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot. Sleeping line. Which line is this? Sleeping line. Now let's come to the second column. Dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot. You have to stop when you reach the last dot. Last dot तक पहुंच के आपको रुकना है. This is sleeping line. You don't have to make it like this or like this. This is wrong. Why? क्यों wrong है ये? Because आपने trace करना है on dots. You have to trace it on dots. But here I have made a sleeping line above the blue line, above the baseline, and this line is below the baseline. So this is wrong. How you will make it right? Trace it on the dots. Dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot. Sleeping line. Okay? Dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot. Sleeping line. Now, one more point. If you will do it incomplete, if you will do this or if you will do this, I hope that you can see it. This is incomplete, right? So, how you are going to do it? You have to trace it fully till the last dot, okay? Dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot, sleeping line. Which line we have traced here? Sleeping line. Now, we can just erase the wrong one and do it again. Alright, we have to start from here and end it here. Which line is this? Sleeping line. So, why we are calling it a sleeping line? Because it is sleeping. It is in a sleeping position. Okay? Fine. So, this is how we have to do. Let's do it in our English workbook. So, here is your English workbook. Open it and first of all mention it. Which page you have to mention? Page number 5 only. On page number 5, mention today's date. Which date is today? Today is 28th of April. Okay, so we have mention it here. 28/04/21 classwork and leave the column. So let's come on page number 5. This is page number 5 as you can see, and mention it. Okay, this way. So children, you saw how we have done it on the blackboard. Now we will do it here. So hope you can see it clearly. I have explained everything. You have to trace it dot to dot and speak while tracing. Sleeping line, dot to dot, dot to dot, sleeping line. And one more thing, all of you, that what is the formation of a sleeping line? It is from left to right. This is your left side and this is your right side, right? When you see your hands, which one is your left hand? My left hand is this one and my right hand is this one. I write with my, मैं किससे लिखती हूँ? With my right hand, right? So we are moving from left to right. Left to right, sleeping line. Left to right, sleeping line. Left to right, sleeping line. Just like standing line में what we were calling? Up to down, standing line. वैसे ही in case of sleeping line, we will call left to right, sleeping line. 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 Okay, make these sleeping lines. See, a very big dot is given on the very first dot is big one. So you have to start it from here, from the very first dot. Left to right, sleeping line. Left to right, sleeping line. Okay? What will you say? Everyone speak. Left to right, sleeping line. If you will not speak, then you will not be able to improve your speech, clarity of voice, and you will not be able to learn the formations. So speak the formations better. Okay? That's all for today. You have to complete this page in this manner and submit it on Classroom. Don't forget to mention, and don't forget to mention your name as well on the top. Okay? Mention your name here. Alright. And on this page of workbook, mention your name in class. That's all for today's session. Let's meet in another one. Till then, please take care of yourself. Wear mask. Don't go out. Okay? Bye-bye.